didn't change anything.
Yeah, so
kumain lang siguro nagutom, no? Ayan.
Oh, may tinga pa kasi ano.
May tinga
si Kate,
pa?
may tinga pa si Kate.
Turo-turo pa.
Kilala niya daw.
Oo, sabi niya, I know everybody.
Yeah.
So nice.
Hoy, tanggalin na natin to.
Wait pa!
Wait! Kasi you spoke Filipino again. No, not the
Let's wait naman sa the royal couple.
Wow, yun lang yun.
Ganda. Let's wave also.
Actually, naturo pa ni William.
Striking kasi.
Siyang.
Striking picture. Ayan na si Lola, oh.
Oh, ay, ang Perez, kumaway din sa bathroom. Uunag to, patake yung nagpapalagay.
Ang litong bouquet ni Kate, no? Hindi pala.
Oh, very simple nga yung bouquet.
Cute na anak na.
O, tingnan mo si King Philip nagtatanggal pa ng tinga. using his tongue.
Ang sweet ni Lola, kasama niya yung mga apo niya.
Mga apo niya ba yan?
Anak.
Anak nino yan.
One of the princesses.
Ayan na yung parents of Kate Middleton.
Ang kamukha ni Kate yung mommy niya.
Ako, bigyan mo sa balcony.
Di ba? Oh my
Tingnan mo
God.
naman yung kasabi mo.
Oo, tingnan mo naman to, di ba?
Akalain mo.
Akalain mo na
Ayan na yung Kate! Ang miss ninyo!
Ay, hindi ko nakita.
Ang ganda!
Ganun lang ang bilis. Pero yung naku nga,
Kaya
Day.
mo nga yung kiss. By yourself.
Oh, ba
Yun na yun, my God. Yan ang
Yun lang
nakakuha
yun.
ng kiss.
Ang bilis, wala man ng warning.
Oo nga. Hindi mo
Si
lang
Harry,
5 seconds.
Si Pipa ang cute. Ang cute ni Pipa.
Di ba? Nasa ano lahat sila? Nasa balcony lang.
Yun lang.
Ganun yan, the tradition nila yun.
Yun lang inintay doon. And then goodbye.
So that's it na.
Makakaway talaga. Makakaway talaga.
Okay na.
So is it really the wedding of the century?
I think...
Wait lang. Tanggalin niyo na muna
Hindi
ito.
pa.
Your royal.
Hindi pa. Kailangan pa yung
78 days nga yan.
Kailangan pa yung comment mo bago tanggalin yan. So
Yeah.
is it really...
Siguro, we can give our parting words. So, what can you say about the wedding in general?
Well, let's go with the reception first.
Done ang reception.
Wait, it's not yet your turn.
Oh, it's June. Yeah, I see. What was her name? Duchess of...
Cornstarch.
No,
Okay.
Duchess of Cornstarch,
Ano mo
right?
kilala?
Yeah, kilala.
So, what can you say about
What
the
can you say
wedding?
about the wedding?
It's okay. That's
It's okay.
it. Yeah,
That's
it's okay.
it.
It's okay.
How about you?
Me? I think it's okay too.
Oh my God, ano ba kayo? Short for words. Ako naman, it's very simple compared to the past weddings. Pero I think it's very appropriate in this time of procession.
Oh, the same thing.
Diba? This time of
I have the same
procession.
idea.
I think it was a good wedding. It was very simple but very properly done. Everybody was excited.
Yeah, I think, but nothing extravagant though.
Nothing extravagant.
Extravagant yan.
How about you?
How about you, my dear?
What can you say
What can I say about the
the
wedding?
It's fabulous.
Ooh.
Spell.
spell? And you can take that out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Parang V, fabulous.
So
Parang V.
Oh yeah, it's
Spell.
spelled fabulous.
It's fabulous with a Z.
So it's spelled fabulous, then we can take out that. Talaga nire-reject talaga Roy.
Ayun, nag-kiss ulit.
Nag-kiss ulit. Nag-kiss mo na naman.
Tagal na.
Oh,
Anyway.
anyway.
Yata ng abasing.
Correct. Bye. I love you, William.
I love you, Harvey.
Ayan, si Willie.
Thank you, Duchess of Cornstarch. Thank you, Ceramic Princess.
Thank you.
Thank you, Baroness Travel and Tours.
And thank you, Empress Shock.
Shock. Empress Shock.
Paano yung Empress Shock mo?
I don't know.
Sige na.
Do it na as our closer.
Paano yung Empress Shock mo?
Empress.
Empress.
Ayan.
Hindi maganda.
Ganda.
Hindi maganda. Dapat yung shock. Shock may shock.
Ayun.
Okay. So yun na
Okay, see you again
yun.
next time.
Happy na kayo?
If there will be a next time.